Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 4, and y equals 3. The second point has x equals -6, and y equals -5.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 4 to x equals -6, the run is -10. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 3 to y equals -5, the rise is -8.
Slope is rise divided by run, -8 over -10, which simplifies to 4 over 5. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is 4 over 5, x1 is 4, and y1 is 3.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.